Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, Kendo Vlogs. Today is an exciting day because we got our hands on the M1 MacBook Air. This is not the latest version of the MacBook, but I love to have this device because I'm a lifetime Windows user and it's the first time in my life that I'm switching to it. So I'm very thrilled to unbox this beauty and share my experience with all of you. So before we deep dive in, let's take a quick look at the packaging. So Apple always does make an amazing job with their presentation, and just look how this sleek box is with no exception. Wow, just look how slim and elegant this MacBook Air is. Just I can tell how incredibly lightweight and the finish is stunning. Let's further deep dive in what else we got. Some paperworks with some pamphlets about the MacBook Air guide. Along with some Apple stickers. Okay, let's put all this stuffs back now, and we will look what else we got in this on packaging. So we got the USB-C charging cable and the power adapter. I just love the simplicity of this design. Apple is just classic whenever they do some of those designing, whether it's related to their products in simplicity way, whichever they do. Apple is just, it's a classic Apple. So its wattage is there, as you can see. It can fast charge it. And it's very quite handy dandy if you are traveling. It's very easy to pack into your bag and then you can just travel it with it. Let's put all this stuff back and look into the main star of the show. So as we are talking before, it's very slim, it's very elegant to look on the MacBook Air, and I have it in my hand. I can say that it's incredibly light, and the finishing with all those aluminum metal chassis, it's quite stunning. Let's peel off this protective cover and take a closer look. Wow. Wow, it's very elegant. It's very lightweight compared to the Windows laptop that I have. And most important thing, as I showed you before, it has a 3.5mm jack and have the two Type-C Thunderbolt. Alright, now the moment of truth. Let's on this system and start with the setup process. Alright, as you can see, it's starting and showing the hello logo. As I'm looking into it, I can say that the setup process is very a breeze as expected from Apple, and the display is very vibrant compared to the system HP system that I'm using right now. This display is very vibrant. Meanwhile, let's talk about the specs. This model does feature the M1 chip. As we know of, it's a 2 years old chip right now, which Apple claims that provide the exceptional performance. It is the first chip that is being developed by the Apple own silicon. And apart from that, they also said that the battery life is very pretty impressive for it, promising them up to 50 hours of wireless web browsing and up to 80 hours of video playback. And as we talked of, we have two Thunderbolts USB-C, which offers the super fast data transfer and the connections through external displays. But as you note that there is no HDMI port to connect with, so you need to have an external connector to connect with the external devices. The keyboard feels very tactile when I'm typing it right now and very responsive, and the trackpad is just as smooth as expected. And we can take a moment to appreciate the sleek design, as Apple never disappoint in any of when it comes to the aesthetic department. So wrapping up the unboxing, as you can see, the MacBook is starting right now. So I can say that um, during the unboxing, I have an absolute pleasure. The design is sleek, it has incredible performance, and as told by the Apple, it will have the impressive battery life. So I cannot wait to deep dive into what this machine can do and share more insight with all of you. So stay tuned for my upcoming reviews and comparison. So thank you for joining me again today, and do not forget to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell icon so that you will not miss out any of my future videos. Until then, next time, take care.